One of your lovely followers have given me an advice, so today I'm going to test it out. So I've got currently the black thread on and I need to sew my white garments. I need to change the thread on all four into white. What you suggested was that I turn all these dials into 0. So my dials are all 0, and then I'll be attaching the white thread from here and then just pulling it through. So let's see how it works. Don't think there is importance which order you do. You're not. I can confirm that my black thread was working for me, so that all the tension was right. Stitch came out really nicely, so I know I didn't have a problem with that. Remember in my last video I couldn't do the number 3 and 4, so fingers crossed this technique allows you to change all at the same time. Let's see, so something is coming here, second one is coming through, another one is through. Oh, just one more to go. Which one do I need to pull? I've pulled all through, so these are all white and these are all white now. Not sure why there is one of these black still going up and down. I'm thinking of just cutting it because I don't need that black. Carefully just cutting the black one. So I've got all 4 white ones. So let's turn the dials back into 3. That's a tension discs. Close that. Shouldn't come as a surprise, but you need to plug your machine in. And I need just a piece of fabric now. So let's have a closer look. It's definitely worked. Look at that. Beautiful. Tensioned straight away. So we went from black into white without any trouble. So I want to say thank you for the lovely viewer who suggested that easier way to change the thread on my serger, and I'm definitely going to be using that method now going forward. Why don't you test it out? But it worked. I was very concerned at some point, but yeah, it's worked, so here is a sample. Sides. I know I've done obviously not a perfect presentation doing white on white, but yeah, it's working. So that was success and I'm very happy. Actually my serger snapped thread number 3, but it has done it previously, so don't think that's because the way we've changed the thread. But yeah, so if you know what could cause the 3rd thread, which goes through one of the needles, snapping, how I can avoid that in the future, please let me know.